Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about AI tool. So many of you may aware about chat with PDF tool. So where you can upload your documents and you can ask any questions you want related with that particular document. So that will be very helpful for us to make literature review and also to understand the reference papers you are taken for your research. So in this content, we are going to discuss about an AI tool. So it is for free. So many of this kind of chat with PDF like tools having only limited option. You can upload a document that is a document up to particular MB only, and you can have only 2 or 3 chats up to a day. So like that, there are different constraints are available in many tools, but these tools offer a free option, so where you can upload and you can ask any number of questions you want. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will works out for our literature review writing. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Chatpdffree. So you can start chatting with your PDF in seconds with the help of AI. So here you can click to upload your documents. So here I am going to choose a reference paper here. So here I am going to choose a reference paper. So this is the reference paper I am going to choose. So it is, this paper has been uploaded here in this particular chat with Chatpdffree site. So let us see how it will uploaded. So here comes our uploaded document. So here you can see that. So a predictive convolution neural network model for source load forecasting in smart grids. So this is the paper which comprises of 9 pages. So automatically after you have uploaded, so the summary of the paper has been generated. So this summary itself very helpful for us to write a literature review. So let us see how this summary is. The article discusses the development of a predictive convolutional neural network model for source load forecasting in smart grids. So it highlights the importance of integrating hybrid renewable energy sources efficiently into the grid to optimize power generation and distribution. The model uses CNN to monitor and predict wind speed and solar irradiance, enabling effective power transfer between areas with surplus and shortage of energy. Experimental results using meteorological data from Beirut demonstrate high forecasting accuracy. The study also addresses smart grid components, system life cycle, cost analysis, power distribution, load demand and battery state of charge. So this is how a perfect summary for the research paper has been generated. So this itself enough for us to write a detailed literature review for our research paper. So even if you want to explore this, so you can select whatever the questions you want. So these are the possible sample questions generated by this AI tool itself. So here, what are the key components of a smart grid according to the paper? Next, how is the wind power distribution like in the proposed microgrid system? So what algorithm is used for microgrid sizing in case study? So like that, so these are the different possible questions can be asked related with that paper. For example, if you want to ask any of the questions, so just in one click, so you will be getting the answer. So there is a problem with this server. So wait, let us see. So it will take several seconds to generate. So here you can see that I have asked 3 questions. So these are the 2 questions which is already available in this sample questions. So how is the what algorithm is used for microgrid sizing in case study? So next, how is the wind power distribution like this in proposed microgrid system? So and even I have asked the question here. So what are the future developments of the paper? So like that I have asked 3 questions. So but it is still loading. So probably there may be a problem, internal problem with this Chatpdffree. So apart from this, I have used this Chatpdffree before in different version. So but it is a new version offering to ask many questions. So but it sticks to still it's loading even if we have asked. So go on and explore. Probably this time it may happen. So I will also check this out, and I will let you know through a video also. So if it is works out well or not working, so just they are telling it is free or not free. So here they have given upgrade to premium option also. So it is not for free. So here it is free only up to a limited that is limited PDFs. So it is also a same kind of tool, but it is just named as Chatpdffree. Please know all AI tools are doing this kind of thing only. So don't trust this kind of tools by name itself, as I have told that this is a free tool, but it is for limited free version only, not fully for free. So just you want to upload your document and you can get a perfect summary. So apart from this, I think this will be a problem with subscription. So if you only go for subscription option, it will generate the content. So other than that, it is generating a normal summary whenever you have uploaded. So go on and explore this Chatpdffree only to get a perfect summary. So not you have to chat with this particular document. So thank you for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.